darn delicious.
So now you can see the thickness is just right, and I'm gonna let this cook some more.
What's up? What's up? This is Rico. Don't forget to show me some love. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Yeah.
What's up, my family? Right about now, I'm super fired up because I'm in the kitchen and I'm gonna prepare for you an all-time popular Jamaican West Indian dish coming right up. So this is the coconut I'll be using today. Okay, so right about now I'm going to break this coconut. All courtesy of my hammer. Okay family, so right about now, this is the total amount of milk my coconut yielded. About 4.5 cups of coconut milk. Alright, so I'm just gonna pour this now into a larger pot because I'm making a sizable amount of porridge in the larger pot. Alright, so 4.5 cups of coconut milk. I'm gonna bring this to the stove. So today I'm gonna make the porridge slightly different. I want it to have that bold, rich, creamy coconut flavor. So here it is, 4.5 cups of coconut milk, and I'm not gonna add any water. When I add the cornmeal, if it gets thick, I'll add additional milk instead of water. Because remember, when I was blending this, I had to use water. So technically I have some water in this already. Okay, so that's the way I'm gonna do it today to get that nice, creamy coconut Caribbean island flavor in my cornmeal porridge. Let's do this. Okay family, so what I got here is 2 cups of refined cornmeal. I'm just gonna mix this out thoroughly. I'm gonna whisk this out thoroughly with my about 2 cups of water. But like I said before, I'm gonna do it differently today to make it more creamy. So instead of the water, I'm gonna use almond milk to make a mixture with the cornmeal. And remember, you can absolutely use water to mix this. That's what I usually do. But again, it's cooking and you gotta be creative. So my way today, I want this to be rich and creamy. So I'm gonna use 2 cups of almond milk because I'm keeping this dairy free. So 1, 2 cups of almond milk. I'm just gonna mix that thoroughly. So that's the trick. You want to ensure you mix this thoroughly. Make sure there's no lumps inside your cornmeal mixture. All right. So that's my pot right there. Already come to a boil. I'm just gonna add my cornmeal mix. Again, you want to mix this thoroughly. Make sure there's no lumps. So the mixture starts to get thick. I'm just gonna add more milk. It's best to add a little at a time. So the trick is to keep mixing, guys. It's gonna get thick. So keep mixing and add water or milk. So a little at a time, test and go, little at a time. Keep your stove on like medium low to low. This is coming on real lovely. It's so nice and creamy. I'm just gonna cover the pot. I'm gonna keep my stove on low and let this cook for a while. I can smell the sweet aroma already, and still I haven't added the spices as yet. 1 cup sugar. So now I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of grounded cinnamon, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. You want to give this a whisk. So look on that already, guys. It's so nice and creamy already, and it's not finished as yet. So now you can see the thickness is just right, and I'm gonna let this cook some more. So again, cover and keep your heat on medium and cook that for another few minutes. To ensure there's no lump, you want to always be stirring this pot. Yes, my family, it's all finished right about now. The key is low and slow. Keep your pot covered so it don't spill and burn you. Alright, so I'm just gonna serve a bowl right now. When it's hot, it's gonna be more fluidy or more flowy, and as soon as it cools down, it's gonna get more thicker. Awesome, guys, it's fantastic. Try this. So here you have it, guys, the Jamaican Cornmeal Porridge, the dairy-free version using coconut milk, and I blended with some almond milk. You can have this with crackers or bread. I like to have mine with toast with butter or toast with avocado. You can have it with saltfish fritters, you can have it with fried plantains, you can have it with some crispy fried fish. You can have this with almost anything. The possibilities are endless, and it's all up to you. Just enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, as always, stay true and stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe. Yeah, man.